it's 5 in the morning. I left a little earlier than I thought I was going to. I was up at 4:30 and I was like, I'm just gonna get up now. I have 2 kids in my bed right now with my husband. So I had to scoot in between the 2 kids to get out of bed this morning and tiptoe around and grab a couple things. I didn't do my makeup yet. Now that I'm leaving early, I mean, I was thinking about doing it when I get there anyway. I mean, I'm just gonna blow it all off on the descent. I can see Orion constellation. I haven't seen that in a long time. So feeling good. I took some Energize like sport powder this morning. Energize and focus is what it says. So hopefully that's what it's gonna do. But anyways, I'll check in later. It's about 5 o'clock right now.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out.
So I'm at Starbucks waiting for my sister. Just had a parfait and some tea. The sun's extremely bright. I'm sitting outside because it got kind of cold in there. Just chilling. I'm not nervous right now. I was nervous last night. I'm just excited.
We're freaking out.
Now I'm freaking out. No, just kidding. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I am. I don't get excited about a lot of things. I'm really excited for this.
It's hard for us to get excited. We're very chill people.
I know. I'm like the most mellow person, but
the most mellow person ever. You're saying this on the internet, the whole world. You hear that claim she's making?
I don't know if my husband would say that.
Okay.
Now we wait.
Now we wait. We got 6 minutes. Advertisement. And then back out once we've all done. You guys want to sponsor my video? All right. Oh, that guy's making me nervous. Whoa! 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 Oh my god! Wow! So we just watched a bunch of people jump out of an airplane and land, and they all survived. So I think we're gonna survive.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Hey Julie, look at the camera here. Are you ready, Julie? How was it?
We made it!
A good experience?
Yeah.
Give me a hug you. It was a pleasure. Welcome Space Center. We did it!
So this is my hair. I think I should take it down, but it's not gonna be there. So my left ear is still, what do they call it? Like, needs to pop. I had my mouth open the whole time instead of breathing through my nose. Hey! How's it going? We just jumped out of an airplane. Yeah.
How was it?
It hurt. My ear is so bad. Yes.
Like the...
Yeah. Well, the pressure, because
Yeah.
I wasn't. Oh, I guess you're supposed to hold your nose when I do that. So, are you okay with being on YouTube? I'm not that famous, so. Okay. So yeah, so this year still hasn't popped, but it was really beautiful. And
Yeah, so fun. Just like
I was
the
like
initial
crying.
jump out was like,
so now we're having tacos. At what is this, Culture or something?
yeah, it's like a little tapas place. Culture House or
I don't know what it's called, but we'll show you the food when we get it.
the mystery restaurant.
I feel like I need to go in the bathroom and like fix my hair.
That was like the first thing I did was take my hair down.
And I just feel like it's gonna be weird when I do. Okay, bye. So we got tacos. Yeah, we got the same thing. Well, we did it. Now we have to part ways. I have to go back to my life, my real life.
You know, but
Yeah,
that was fun.
that
And we
was
can
fun.
do this more. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's like right in the middle.
Yeah, we'll do something else. I want to do like an air balloon ride. Or like, I don't know, there's like Groupons for everything. There was
There
like a
is.
sailing lesson. There was, what else?
That would be cool.
There was a bunch of adventurous things, but we'll see. I mean, I was thinking my channel name is A Beautiful Horizon, and I just jumped out of an airplane. I feel like it fits, you know? It's definitely like part of my homeschooling, homemaking, jumping out of airplanes.
That's right.
That's what I'm. No, actually, I think that goes under the intentional living, because I say homeschooling, homemaking, and intentional living is what I talk about on my channel. intentional living, I think, is like doing something fun.
Yeah.
Being intentional about your life instead of just letting it, like, not that you have to jump out of the airplane. Do whatever you want to do, but yeah.
Bucket list stuff, I think. Yeah. Little goals. That was definitely one of mine. So check
it off. I think that was the only thing that I wanted to really do before I was 30. So, but you can do it whenever you want. Don't let the number hold you back. I love when people like
that guy out there was like 80.
Yeah, there was a guy who jumped out of an airplane. He was like, he had to have been like 80 years old or 85.
75.
I think he was up there.
Yeah.
He was doing yoga before he jumped out of an airplane, and he had like all the attire. He was all matching with his outfit.
He had a Nike sign tattoo on his thigh.
I think so. Maybe not. I'm not sure.
Just do it.
Now we're identifying him, so he's gonna.
I think that's what it was.
Anyways, bye, my sister. I love you. Bye, guys.
Bye, YouTube.
See you another day. Do something way less adventurous.
Adventure.
Bye. So it's like 2 o'clock and my ear still hasn't popped. On my way home, had a great time with my sister. Traffic's light right now, so if it was too thick, I wouldn't be recording. Yeah, my ears hurt when I was coming down. I think it's because my mouth was open, because I was like, oh my gosh, and instead of like breathing out my nose like I was supposed to. They did say breathe out your nose, and I didn't because I wasn't thinking about that at the time. So once I get home, I'm gonna really focus on getting my ear popped, but right now I need to focus on driving. So it's a lot of fun though. I don't know if I would ever do it again. I would do something else. I think it's kind of like checked off my list for now. But it was fun.
I walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for